So the next thing naman that I'm gonna show you would be parang yung mga insurance products naman, no, that could give us that kind of security over the long run, diba? Pero yun nga, I just really wanna emphasize that in life, meron po tayong tinatawag na hierarchy of needs, diba? There are two types, no, of events in our lives. It's either it will happen as unexpected and unexpected. So, buti lang minsan kung expected mo na itong mangyari, at least you are prepared. However, kung unexpected yung mga cases na yun nangyari sa life mo, and if you're not really prepared for that, then ikaw din yung kawawa. Because it's you or it's your family that will also suffer, diba? So, the expected events cover that we discussed already, yung kanina mga investments natin, ganyan. But for the unexpected, like let's say, merong income earner sa family ninyo. Then, sa to say, kunyari na aksidente, nawala siya. So, kung wala kayong protection as a family at nawala yung income earner na yun, then anong mangyayari in the next coming months, diba? Saan kayo kukuha ng panggastos? Sino nang magtatrabaho sa inyo? Sino mag-step up and whatnot, kanya. So there are a lot of things that we have to consider. So otherwise, itong mga unexpected events in our life, kung wala talaga tayong na-prepare, no? Wala tayong choice, but we really have to burden to carry that burden, no, over the long run. So yeah, so the next thing that I'll be sharing with you is financial goals naman with the insurance products such as medical, life, and non-life, no, in order to cover naman for the unexpected events. So ito yung sinasabi ko, di ba kung mapapansin nyo kanina, yung mga present, short-term, up until retirement, meron tayong mga corresponding investments. That is aligned for that. However, since with the platform na meron si Rampver, we're not just limited to investments. We also have insurance products that can cover up, that could give you protection for either short-term, long-term, or any type of goals na meron kayo. So the first thing that you need to be prepared for any medical emergencies, given what the present meron tayo, needs and wants and medical spending, of course, is a medical plan, medical protection. So meron tayong iba't ibang klase. May mga HMO tayo, may mga medical insurance tayo, diba? And there are a lot of things that we have to consider. As long as you are protected and you can make sure that if there's anything that will happen to you, there's something you could back you up, diba? So it's in our nature na kung magkakasakit tayo, we want to get well. Pero at times, kasi dahil wala tayong pera, wala tayong panggastos, tinitiis natin up until lumalala, diba? Nang lumalala. But with this protection, you can really make sure that di ka naman maglalabas talaga ng ganun kalaking pera. But the good thing is that with just a little to a minimum premium na babayaran mo, you can make sure that you are protected. That's why it's very important po na kailangan meron tayong mga protection, no, for our health. So the next naman that we also need to cover is our assets on a regular basis. So a calamity like fire, no, could take away yung lalagay ko na lahat. Yan. So that could take away yung mga property natin, yung mga car natin, ganyan. That's why for this one, it's very important na meron tayong tinatawag na mga non-life insurances. So kung meron kang kotse, meron tayong tinatawag na car insurance. Kung meron kang sarili mong bahay at gusto mong i-protect yan in case of flood, in case of fire, mga earthquake and stuff, meron tayong non-life product for that, no, which is we call a property insurance. So very important po yun. So for the medium-term goals, yung mga income replacement or yung mga key man insurance, ito naman, this basically applies for the businesses. Na kung sino yung point person ng mga business na yun, ganyan, in case na mayroong mangyaring masama sa kanila, there is a fund that could back them up na, kunyari, mawala. Like for example, you have a company, you own a company and ikaw yung president. So, ikaw yung point person talaga. Ikaw yung main source of income, ganyan. So, kung mawala ka, paano yung mga employees, ganyan, diba? So, as a key man insurance, meron kang protection that could back them up. So, si insurance yung magbabayad sa company so that you can continue, no, what you are doing specifically on your businesses. And of course, for long-term goals naman, no, so, for this insurance, so meron tayong tinatawag na mga insurances na basically you can actually design for the college education fund of your children. So, you get a life insurance, and if there's anything that will happen to you, that insurance will cover all the expenses related to the education of your children. children. So meron po mga ganong mga product na baka hindi lang po tayo aware, no? So meron din tayong tinatawag na mga income replacement na kunyari merong mawala sa family, sila yung income earner talaga, diba? So yung life insurance na yun, pwede kasi siyang i-design na ibibigay siya sa iyo on a regular basis so that as if meron ka pa rin nare-receive no, na salary on a monthly basis. So lastly naman, no, for the retirement or for the estate planning, legacy and inheritance, no? So by setting up a life insurance policy and naming beneficiaries, so kung legacy and inheritance na yung binibuild natin, so you can put up beneficiaries, no, and then the payout can help cover estate taxes and ensure that assets are distributed according to the individual's wishes. So kung kayo grandparents kayo, meron kayong assets that you want to transfer to your grandchildren or to your children at hirap na hirap ka, how do you want to do it? So meron tayong estate planning, no, mga legacy and inheritance that we can set up for each one of them, diba? So ganun po, ang daming product that we can really offer, no matter what circumstances or what situation that you have in life, no, given with the platform, I think we can really cover that up, no? So I know with a lot of things that I was able to discuss, this might be overwhelming, but we're here to make it easier for you, know? So one of the greatest advantage that we offer here in Rampver is really the convenience of having a single point of contact, no, of all your investment or insurance needs. So as you can see here, we have investments, we have life insurance, non-life, HMO medical, and yeah. So imagine having just one person, like let's say, kunyari, may mga iilan sa TRC members na nakakausap ko na doon talaga regularly. So imagine you are that person, and I was the one assisting you, with the range of financial services or financial products that we have. So with our platform, you can now have the access to a variety of investment options, not just investments lang, no, but may it be for stocks, mutual funds, and later on, no, we also have UITFs and everything, ganyan. So that is really tailored, no, for your financial goals. So furthermore, we offer life insurances products, no, so that you can have that peace of mind that if there's anything that will happen to you, there's a product that could back you up, no, at hindi po directly affected ang ating mga bulsa, because we know naman na yung bulsa natin lagi yung kawawa for this one. So again, unfortunate circumstances, yun yung laging nangyayari, ang mga unexpected, no, but yeah, so with this kind of insurances, we can really make sure that we are protected, no. And lastly, of course, a very recent, no, to the arsenal or to the family is the memorial plan. So as you can see naman, I am not sure lang kung nakita niyo yung mga post na meron si Rampver. So St. Peter po is one of the newest member, no, of the family. So just to share with you, so just to give you an understanding, no, so these are basically the partners that we have. No. So for the mutual funds, we have Soldivo, Atram, BPI, Sun Life, First Metro, Phil Equity. And for the life insurance naman, we're you can get life insurance for you. You can set it up as an educational fund, as your estate planning man yan or anything. So for the life insurance, we have AXA, AIA Philippines, which is a former Film Life. We also have Generali, Insular Life, Manila Bankers, and Paramount. No, for the Paramount specifically, we offer like overseas Filipino insurance. Kung overseas Filipino ka at wala kang insurance, this product is designed for you. So kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, you can get one. And for the healthcare naman, this is basically for an HMO or medical needs. No? So we have AXA, MaxiCare, Medicard, Pacific Cross, and PhilCare for that. So as mentioned earlier, for the non-life naman, which covers protection or gives protection for your car, for your property, for any of your assets, it could be like mga painting man yan, you want to get insurance. So we also have non-life for that. No? So AXA, Malayan, Pacific Union, Prudential, and Standard. And then of course, lastly, no, for our pre-need insurance, which is a memorial plan, we have St. Peter. But in case naman you are already a business owner and you want to expand your business, no, and you want to take a loan, so si Esquire Financing naman is our partner for that, no. And lastly, I know guys that all of you are managing your own stocks, no, managing your own portfolio via COL. But with Rampver naman, so the platform that we have basically is you trade under Unicapital Securities and my trade under Abaco Securities. So with that, I think, no, so with the partners that we have, we know naman and we can see that they are industry leading companies, no, so we can ensure that our clients receive the highest level of service and access to top-notch products. So when you choose to avail one or any of our financial services, now you're not only benefiting from our expertise and convenience, but you're also gaining access to wide array of options